Hey guys, it's been 2 years now since my wife died, and I feel like I'm doing pretty good. If you haven't seen my videos, my name's Jim and I make videos about chronic pain. Mine's due to about 40 years now with thoracic outlet syndrome, or TOS, and I've also had 3 lower back surgeries, including a 2-level lumbar fusion almost 3 years ago now. And like I said, my wife died from the flu about 2 years ago, and she suffered with chronic pain for probably about the last 5 years of her life as well. And it's just kind of strange when I think about it that not only do I deal with so much pain, and I've had so many chronic pain issues that and then my wife started dealing with it, and then I actually watched her die. So it's like, sometimes I think, well, what's the deal with all that? Why does so much of this stuff happen to me? And being alone for like the last 2 years, I watch a lot of like motivational stuff, mainly on YouTube, and I've been watching a lot of these different motivational speakers, and a lot of them have been through like, pretty traumatic things. But I was watching something the other day, and I was thinking, some of the stuff these guys have been through is pretty bad, but it's not really any worse than a lot of the stuff I've been through. And some of these guys are saying they had to go through all that stuff to learn from it. They learn empathy and understanding and compassion, and I guess that is kind of true. Unless you go through that stuff yourself, you really don't understand it. I mean, I really don't talk about pain that much to people, because unless they have it, they just really don't understand what you're talking about that much. That's why I kind of like having this channel, is I can talk about stuff, and you guys, people with have pain, they can relate to what I'm talking about, where most other people don't. And then I get feedback from you guys, and that helps me a lot. So for me, making these videos is actually, I think, just as helpful for me as it is for you guys. Sometimes I do videos and I'm like, I'm not even sure if these are really that helpful to anybody, but then I'll get a comment from someone and said, hey, thanks so much for that video, that really helped. Sometimes knowing that other people or someone else out there is going through the same thing that I deal with, and it just helps me knowing that there's other people out there like me. And so kind of the weird part about it is, like, after my wife died, I made a few videos just talking about it, and I kind of think that helped me heal, just putting that out there and have other people telling me their stories about loved ones they've lost and things like that. I feel like it's given me positive energy back. So I kind of feel like all the stuff I go through is maybe for a reason, maybe just so I could make videos like this to kind of give hope and encouragement to other people, because I understand it. So I hadn't really done too many videos on this channel recently, because I was having problems with YouTube, taking a lot of them down and stuff like that, videos I did about Kratom and stuff like that. So it kind of got discouraged, but I'm thinking maybe what I might start do is just doing more videos like this, and just kind of telling my stories about stuff I've been through and stuff that's happened to me, just to try to encourage other people out there that deal with chronic pain and stuff like that. I was just thinking the other day, TOS, or thoracic outlet syndrome, the TOS is the abbreviation for that, but I was kind of thinking that kind of, for me, means teacher of suffering. It's almost like 40 years of that. It's helped me, learn to deal with chronic pain, and really have empathy and sympathy for other people who are suffering as well. So, like I said, maybe I'll try doing a few more videos like this on this channel if you guys like it, and hope you guys are all doing good. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time.